And one thing to keep in mind is the connector needs to land on the inside and long enough so that I can grab it and plug it and disconnect it from the battery pack. Once I determine how much I need, I then cut it off at the copper line. One thing to keep in mind if you're tackling an art frame like this is you don't want it in a dark spot, so don't cut the LED short, or don't think that you're being wasteful by overlapping if you have to. These LEDs are peel and stick, so they have adhesive on the back, but it all depends on the brand you use. Some of these peel and stick work so much better than the others. In this case, the one I have didn't work out so great, but I was able to use some hot glue later on and just kind of touch up some of the areas so that it didn't peel off. Now I could have cut this hole earlier, kind of glad I didn't because I probably would have cut a square hole, and in this case I just used a 3-inch hole saw and just drilled a hole, which was so much easier. My first thought was to use epoxy to secure the artwork to the frame, but when you're dealing with electronics and lights and things like that, those tends to fail over time, so hot glue is strong enough but also weak enough to be able to pull off in the occasion you need to replace the LEDs.